Well, hello today YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to install custom PLCs to Project Diva Extend. The only reason for that is somebody had a what is the word called? Had a problem with installing custom DLCs for Project Diva Extend. So today I'm going to show you how to install them. Alright, first you want to do is turn on your PSP and plug it into the computer. But first, you want to also download a plugin called NP Loader. The reason for NP Loader is if you have the Normed engine with the English patch with Project Diva Extend, it's not going to work because it won't be able to read it. So use NP Loader and disable the Normed engine on Pro only. But for those minimal edition users, ME, you'll have to download the the NP Loader to load your custom DLCs. So I'm gonna answer this really. No, not yet. So you'll need to download NP Loader. I already downloaded it, so there's no need for me to download it at all. So next, oh my god. Yeah, I'll answer it. Be right back. Now I'm back. Alright. Sorry about that. Two people messaged me at the time, so plug in your PSP. And another person messaged me. Well, you'll have to wait. Alright, anyways. But PSP. Oh, that's why I didn't have. Oh well. Oh no. Alright. Now I got a Skype message. Oh my god. Alright, I'm just gonna finish this real quick. If this wants to enter to USB mode. Why you no enter? Why you no enter? Yeah. Sure. I need to get the USBs because they're right. I'll be right back because right now my PSP won't even connect. Another message. Anyways, what you want to do next is I got another Facebook message. Go to your C plugins. Let it open twice. Why? Oh my god. Let me get into my C plugins. Alright. And oh my god, I swear this just likes to make me mad. Anyways, look, I'm looking for my game.txt. Go into your game.txt and put in this line. For your PSP Go users, put EF0 instead of MSO0. If you're on a regular PSP, just put MSO0 and then -C plugins -nploader.prx1. After you've done that, I'm going to be on Remote Joylight. Wrong files. Alright, Remote Joylight time. Alright, on my PSP now. Oh, I forgot to get the. Oops. Alright, now what you want to do is go to the list of custom DLCs you want to download from Project Diva, which I'll put the description on. So I'm going to download from my friend. Let's put, can't find, no, Tito Pink DLC, no. Free loading screens. Haku DLC mod. These would help. Let's just get a crocodile module. Download it. And let's just wait for the download. I can't really see here. Ah. Why? Alright. This might take a while, so I'll record when it's done. Alright. Go back to USB. I forgot to tell you something really important. If my PSP will go into USB. Anyways, what you want to do is, once you got the folder, it should become a EDAT file. And Yoshi Dadashi says all this properly work, blah blah blah, for and there's no resolution. Alright, thanks. I credit him for using the module for that. Alright, I'll support you, you know that. Alright, anyways, now what you want to do is go to your game folder and make a... I just closed you. What the hell? Anyways, make this folder ULJM05681. Then in that you make a C file. Then just extract all this to over here. Skip. Alright, I got my EDAT 7. There's my EDAT right there. Now what you want to do is reboot your PSP. Or go to your recovery really quick and make sure the MP loader is on. I'm not showing you guys. Wait. And make sure you turn off the normed engine. Oh, I forgot the remote joy light's not on. Oops, sorry about that. Like always, go to your recovery. Oh cool, you can see the recovery in here. Alright, go to advanced. And make sure normed engine's on for only pro users. Oh, no. Alright. Now go to your plugins. Make sure normed engine loader, NP loader is on. Now, what you want to do is go to your PSP game. The Project Diva extend. I hope I got my... I think I got too many games. Where's my BSH? There it goes. I'm just gonna overclock it so it won't do that. Small speeds. I'm just checking if my game plugins were enabled, because sometimes I don't enable it. Oh wait, what the hell? Let's go with that, I guess. Alright. Now my PSP won't load. Okay, there we go. There's the Japanese, where it was released on 2010, and yeah, whatever. Sega, presented by Sega, and all this, then coded the English patch by Code Station. So now, load your PSP game. And you should get your MP loader only. Here's my custom DLC I made. So yeah, you go to options, import additional content, and say yes. And I want to end this video so bad. Alright, go to modules. Oops. Modules.